It texturizes, but it's okay because my hair is thin.
Okay, you see how it's looking from the back? That's what happens when you cut it from the back in the pony. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use this Korea clip here. I ordered it online. We're gonna put the hair here. We're gonna slide it down and stop where the shortest part here is. So it's gonna slide down like that. And see all that extra hair sticking out on the sides, on both sides? Yeah, we're gonna snip that off. And I like it upside down like this, like a frown, because I want the front pieces, this one here, this is what falls to the front, to be longer, just slightly, than the back. It's not gonna be a big deal. At least it doesn't look like a upside down U. You know what I mean? Right. Here we go. I don't mind if it's not even. Let's go to the other side. That's good. That's good enough. All right. Much, much better. All right, so I straightened it. Try to straighten everything here.
Why is it like that?
Like what? Like what?
Ooh, nice.
Ooh. Okay. So because my hair is thin, that's why it looks texturized, right? And it's just a straight cut. Ooh. Should I cut this